Now I am going to show you what is actually the exists function, how to work with that. For example, this is a table, right? So in the students table I want to search a student by ID. So what I will do, in order to search it, I am just going here, right? So here you see that the single data, actually it was there, I am just going to make it off. Okay, I am going to write my own way now. So from the table, students table, I want to get a data where the student ID equal to, for example, 10. You see that there is actually no student where the ID is 10. So it will throw me an error when I will try to get the data. For example, I am going to get the data using fast. Okay, so if I just run this one, what will be happen? I am going to run the index. You see that there is actually no data, but I want that I will just show if the student exists or not. I will tell the user that the student you want to search actually does not exist. So in that case, I can easily check it first using a function that is exists. So here I check the exists equal to this. Now I can check like this, if exist, that means if the student really exists, then there will be some task. So what I will do, if exist, then I will show the data. For example, here I will run the query like this. So first, and I want to show all the data equal to this one, or data. Now if I want, it will show me the data. Okay, so data. And if not exist, then I will give him a message, give the user a message that the data you are searching does not exist. So in this way you can just use this exist function. If I now go here, refresh, you see that the data you are searching does not exist. But if I give here, instead of 10, if I give here 2 and also here 2, then if you just refresh, you will see the data here. So in this way you can work with the exists function.